In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the homepage of your website on Wix. Whether you're launching a fresh site or revamping an existing one, setting the right homepage is crucial as it's often the first impression visitors get. Let's dive in. First, you need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the starting point for all your editing tasks on Wix. If you're unsure how to get there, simply log into your Wix account and select the site you wish to edit. Once selected, click on the Edit Site button to access the Wix editor interface. You'll find this tool extremely user-friendly, with a lot of intuitive design features that make website building feel like a creative and enjoyable process. Now that you're in the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main toolbar. Here, look for the Pages and Menu option and click on it. This menu is where you manage all the different pages of your website. From here, you can organize, rename, or delete pages, and of course, set your home page. It acts as a control center for your website, where you can visually manage the structure of your site seamlessly. Once you've accessed the Pages and Menu section, you'll see a list of all your site's pages. Browse through and select the specific page you want to set as your home page. Hover over the page, and to the right of its name, you will notice an icon with 3 vertical dots. This icon commonly appears as a context menu in many applications, which provides additional options for managing your content. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options presented, click on Settings. The Settings menu is pivotal because it offers additional customization beyond just content, such as SEO settings, permissions, and in this case, the ability to designate the homepage. Within the Settings menu that appears, look for the option titled Set. It will be listed under a section encouraging you to make the page your home page. By clicking this, you assign the selected page as the new home page for your site. This easy selection ensures that when visitors enter your domain, they will be directed to this chosen page first. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your homepage on Wix. Each step in this process ensures that your website visitors land on the page that best represents your brand or message. Remember, the homepage is often the most visited page on your site, so make sure it's engaging and informative. Thank you for following along, and happy website building!